Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, how would you design a Power Automate workflow to automate a multi-step approval process for expense reimbursements? Your answer should be, to design a Power Automate workflow for a multi-step approval process for expense reimbursements, I would define triggers. Use triggers like when a new item is created to initiate a workflow when a new expense reimbursement request is submitted. Implement approval stages. Create multiple approval stages with assigned approvers like using actions like start and wait for an approval within apply of each loops. Handle approval outcomes. Use conditional branching to handle different approval outcomes, approved, registered or pending, and trigger corresponding actions like sending notifications or updating the status of the reimbursement request. Error handling. Implementing error handling mechanism to handle exceptions or errors using the approval process and notify stakeholders to escalate issues as needed. Our next question is optimizing Power Apps Canvas app performance with large data sets. This is our question and the answer is implement delegation for data operations, use control efficiently, minimizing formulas, implement pagination for data loading, cache frequently accessed data locally. Our next question is benefits and limitations of AI Builder in Power Platform Solutions. Your answer should be benefits: no-code, low-code AI capabilities, integration with Power Platform, pre-built AI models. Limitation: limited customization, performance constraints, data privacy, and compliance considerations. Our next question is designing the Power Automate workflow for expense reimbursement approval. Your answer should be define triggers for new reimbursement requests, create multiple approval stages with assigned approvers, handle approval outcomes with conditional branching, implement error handling for exceptions or errors. Our next question is, how would you handle a scenario where a Power Platform solution needs to be integrated with the external API or service? Your answer should be identify the requirements and endpoints of the API, utilize Power Automate to create custom connector or use the HTTP action for REST API calls, consider Azure Logic apps for more complex integrations, ensure secure authentication and error handling throughout the processes. Our next question is, can you discuss the process of troubleshooting performance issues in a Power Platform applications? Your answer should be identify specific areas experiencing slowdowns such as data retrieval or rendering, analyze app designs, data sources and formulas for potential bottlenecks, utilize tools like Performance Analyzer in Power Apps or monitoring tools in Power BI for insights, review connector configurations, deliverable functions and data caching strategies for optimization. Our next question is, how do you ensure data consistency and integrity when working with large data sets in Power Platform solutions? Your answer should be implement validation rules and constraints for data integrity, Perform data cleansing and normalization to remove duplicates and errors. Establish automated data synchronization process for consistency. Implement error handling mechanism to detect and handle data integration errors proactively. Our next question is, what strategies would you employ to optimize user adoption and engagement with Power Platform solutions within an organization? Your answer should be, prioritize user-centric design principles for intuitive interface, conduct thorough training sessions and provide ongoing support, leverage feedback mechanism to gather insights for improvements, recognize and reward users for their contributions and achievements. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.